my name is Carlo, and today I'm gonna present you how can I do the enmoladas. The ingredients we need is fried tortillas, chicken, mole poblano, the secret recipe of my grandma's, cream, cheese, purple onion, and sesame. The first step we need to do is putting the tortilla in the plate and adding the chicken. We need to do 4 of these pieces, so let me do the 4 and we continue for the video. The important depth of this is that the mole has an important ingredient that almost all the humans like. You know what is it? Like ice cream or I don't know, sugar? No, it's chocolate, the best. Okay, and other important that is that this plate is from Puebla and it's built about a material that is only built in Puebla. Her name is Talavera. Okay, we need to continue for the other steps. It's important that these enmoladas at the final it need to be like a taco. Okay, the second step for you is adding the mole. It smells like chocolate. Wait, it's chocolate. Okay. Okay, the third step is adding the cream. Okay. The fourth step is adding the cheese. Okay, the follow step and the final is adding the purple onion and the sesame. Okay, we need to do it. Only 6 onions. Important is that the onions need to be like this, circles. Okay. The ultimate step is adding the sesame to the enmoladas. Okay, we finished the enmoladas. Okay, the places you can find the enmoladas is in my restaurant familiar that is named La Consentida de Todos or in Puebla. Thank you for viewing the video. Don't forget to get to the link and put the like and subscribe to this awesome channel. Goodbye and thank you.